Did you know that India's tallest building reaches a height of around 320 meters? India was the birthplace of one of the world's earliest and most sophisticated civilizations in ancient times. In India, architecture is among the best in the world, and evidence of this is found in the country's historical monuments. Indians would be among the world's wealthiest people today if colonial control didn't occur. Since the country's independence, India has accomplished much in architecture. The rapid growth of India's metropolises has reshaped the country's skyline dramatically during the last 2 decades. In recent years, India has been ranked as one of the world's most developed countries and is home to several skyscrapers. Located primarily in Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, these structures have been essential landmarks for decades. In addition to the existing skyscrapers that India has, the construction of a new one has begun, which will be the tallest residential tower in India. The video will continue in a few seconds, and until then, the only thing we ask of you is to subscribe to our channel and thus help us to increase the number of subscribers. In return, you'll receive excellent videos from us that you'll like and provide a lot of new information. Let's continue, shall we? Of course, India is progressing not only in the economic sense, but also in the number of inhabitants. That's why it's necessary to build skyscrapers for the life and work of those people, but also a skyscraper that will be placed at the top of the list of tallest buildings in India. One such skyscraper is currently being built and is called the Supernova Spira. Located in Sector 94, Amrapali Marg, Noida, Uttar Pradesh 201301, the Supernova Spira has been built to a height of around 300 meters. The project is spread over a total area of 17.5 acres and has 80 floors. The location of the tower itself is excellent because it's about 30 kilometers away from southeast Delhi, and it takes about 30 minutes from Supernova Spira to reach New Delhi via Noida Greater Noida Expressway. It's situated just 4 minutes away from Okla Bird Sanctuary and is in close vicinity to Amity International School. The project enjoys excellent connectivity to educational institutes, hospitals, and commercial hubs that fall along the stretch of this corridor. It's a development project by Supertech Limited, and it offers beautiful office spaces, studio apartments, and residential, which means that it will be used for various purposes. The sizes of the studio flats start from 630 square feet, and the sizes of luxury flats start from 3,200 square feet. Residents can enjoy the 360-degree views right over the Yamuna waterways at the Supernova Spira project. Just imagine that view. Amazing, right? It's clear that for this kind of building, it was necessary to think carefully about the plan, design, and construction plan. The building work commenced in 2012 and has since been awarded the prestigious Gold rating by the Green Building Council. This structure is a significant landmark in Noida and is known by a few other names, including the Spira and the Supertech Supernova. But let's get back to the construction plan. We can say that the construction progressed quickly according to the data we managed to find. We told you that the construction started in 2012, but already in October 2015, construction has been completed by 40%, almost 34 floors. As of January 2016, the construction of Supernova Spira by Supertech has completed 38 floors. Then in June 2018, the tower reached more than 200 meters, having 58 floors completed. We told you they made rapid progress, right? Then in July 2020, construction of the Supernova Spira has been completed up to the 74th floor. The construction completion plan was expected for 2020, but like everything in the world, the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted and delayed everything. The works have been slowed down due to the situation, and the exact date of completion of the works is not known, but it is expected in 2021. We certainly hope that the work will continue as soon as possible and that India will get its tallest building. We're sorry that more details and data about this skyscraper aren't available. Maybe it'll be talked about more when the construction is finished and it receives its first residents. It's clear to you that this tower is a marvel of engineering and that it attracts a lot of attention. So, what do you say? Would you like to live there or have an office with a great view? Or maybe both? Share your opinion with us because we'd like to know it. Write it in the comment section and we'll be sure to read it. If you like this content, please press the like and share buttons. Don't forget to press the bell to be notified when a new video is online. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.